Hi everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to another tutorial with me. In today's tutorial, we will be learning about PHP filters. PHP filters are used to validate or sanitize an external input. Now over here, I have listed the different filters that are used in PHP. I am just going to use a couple of them, and I am going to start with filter validates email. So let's go ahead and make our form in HTML. Form action equal to us.php. And the method is equal to post. And then we're going to have our input type equals to text, name equals to email, and the placeholder is equal to email. And then our last input will be our submit button. So input type equals to submit, and the value is equal to go buddy. And the name of this input will be submit. So that is it for the form. Now save that and go to us.php. Now in here the form is going to be processed. So let's start with if is set post submit. So if the form has been submitted and if not filter var, now we are checking for the a valid email. So we are going to have post email filter validate email. If it's not equal to false, then we are going to echo your email is dot post email. Else echo invalid email and save that. And let's go ahead and test this out. So we'll go to localhost type.php. And we have our email to input. So I am just going to put race@yahoo.com. And as you can see, my email is race@yahoo.com. Now let's go back to our localhost type.php. And this time we are going to put an invalid email address. So I'm just going to put TTT and then go, and it says invalid email. So that is how the filter validate email works. So it makes sure that your email is a valid email. If it's not, then you would get an error message. So let's go ahead and try the filter sanitize email. So this is going to remove all illegal characters from an email address. So let's go show you how this one works. So I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to have a variable R. This is going to hold my email. So, well, actually, this is going to sanitize my email. So filter var the email that I am going to post, filter, validate, not validate, but sanitize, sanitize, sanitize email. Now, what I'm going to do is just echo the variable R, and that is all you have to do. So save that, and let's go back to localhost tut.php. So I am going to enter an email that has illegal characters. So then I'm going to have this 55 at yahoo.com. So what's going to happen is it's going to correct my email address for me. And as you can see, it removed all illegal characters that are not supposed to be there. And that is how the filter sanitize email works. So it will be the same thing if you use filter sanitize the number float. So it's going to make sure that the number is a floating number. And you can also use filter validate IP. So this is going to validate an IP address. So I hope you get the hang of the filter validate, basically the different filters in PHP. So I hope you get the hang of it. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next tutorial.